Hello friends, in this video today we are discussing about sp2 and sp hybridization. In our previous video I have covered sp3 hybridization. If you forget to watch the video, then do check my description box for its link #sp3 hybridization part 1. Watch my video till the end because at the end I have summarized all three hybridization in tabular form. If you want notes, then I will give you time to make screenshot at the end. So let's move towards our topic, that is sp2 hybridization of carbon atom. Here is the energy profile diagrams of ground state, excited state and hybridized state. In the ground state, the electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. In the ground state, there is only two unpaired electron. This means the carbon will form only two CH, or with the other atom the bond means only two bonds. That's why, but the carbon form four bonded bonds, four sigma bonds. The in the excited state, the 2s electron will promoted to pz. So the excited state electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. This electron will be promoted to this as shown in the figure. After that, these three orbitals get mixed to form a new three orbitals in hybridized state. That is three new 2sp2 orbitals 1, 2 and 3. The electronic configuration at hybridized state of carbon is 1s2, 2s21, 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 2pz1. The 2pz left unhybridized orbital involved in the pi bond formation. 2s electron and 2p orbitals are mixed to get 2p hybridized orbitals, three new equivalent orbitals as shown in this energy profile diagram. Three new equivalent orbitals, and pz remain left unhybridized. The sp2 orbitals obtained are identical, same energy and the shape, but differ only in their orientation. Means that the shape are similar and the energy is also same, but differ in orientation, means different are oriented on different axes. Orientation of three sp2 orbitals. The unhybridized pz orbital, this is unhybridized pz orbitals, which is perpendicular to the sp2 orbitals. As shown in this figure, orientation of the pz orbitals in relation to the sp2 orbitals. The unhybridized pz orbital is oriented along an axis perpendicular to the plane of sp2 orbitals. These are sp2 orbitals and these are oriented along a perpendicular to each other, with each lobe above and below the plane of sp2 orbitals. This one is above the plane and this is below the plane. We go for the arrangement. Arrangement in sp2 orbitals is trigonal, means like a triangle. Angle between the any pair of orbitals is 120 degree, means the angle between these two orbitals is 120 degree, or these two or any one between them. We go for the bonding of ethylene. In the ethylene, the molecular formula is CH2 double bond CH2. Molecular formula is C2H4. Let's go for the bonding. The C-C bond is formed by sp2-sp2 hybridization, and the CH bond is formed by sp2s hybridization, and PZ bond is involved in the pi bond formation. One half of this and one half of this will make the one pi bond. Two PZ orbitals involved in the one bond formation. Let's go for the bond length. The CC bond length is 1.34 Armstrong and the CH bond length is 1.09 Armstrong. And the bond angle between them is 120 degree as we discussed earlier. Let's go for the sp hybridization. sp hybridization of carbon. Ground state electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. One electron promoted to get excited state electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, y1 and pz1. But in this only px and 2s get mixed and form only two orbitals, two new hybridized orbitals. These two new hybridized orbitals will involve in the bond formation and these two are left unhybridized. The sp orbitals obtained above are identical, same energy and shape, but differ only in their orientation in space with respect to each other. Means this oriented on another axis and this is on another axis. The PZ and PY are remain unhybridized and involved in the pi bond formation. The unhybridized PZ and PY orbitals are right angled to the line of the sp hybridized orbitals. These are perpendicular. Arrangement is linear, means like a straight line. Angle between the two orbitals is 180 degrees Celsius. So we'll go for the bonding. The bonding in acetylene means CH triple bond CH. The CC bond is formed by sp-sp hybridization and the PZ and PY are involved in the 2 pi bond formation. There will be 2 pi bond. One is this and another is this. The CH bond is formed by sp-s hybridization. Go for, okay, this is all about the hybridization. So we will summarize it with the help of this table. The hybridization sp3, sp2, sp arrangement will be tetrahedral, means like a tetrahedral, and sp2 trigonal, means like a triangle. Sp is linear, like a straight line. Angle between the orbitals are 109.5, 120 and 180 respectively. Sigma bonds are 4 sigma bonds in this structure, sp3 hybridization, 3 sigma bond and 1 pi bond in sp orbitals, sp2 hybridization, and 2 sigma and 2 pi bond in sp hybridization. Characters are decided on this basis, means the what are the involvement of that orbitals. In the sp3, the s having 25% involvement and p having 75%. In sp2, 33 and 66.6 respectively, and sp 50-50. So I will give. Please make a screenshot for notes. Page 1. This is page 2. Page 3. Page 4. And last one, this is the summary, that is page 5. If you like my video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment.